Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Miss SRYZNA and today I'm going to be showing you how to create this traditional look which is very simple yet elegant and goes with all type of occasions. If you like my video, please give a big thumbs up and yes, don't forget to subscribe. So without further ado, let's get started. As always, I'm starting with my clean dry face and now I'm using the Tarte Maracuja oil to moisturize and hydrate my skin. Just taking a few drops of it and patting it nicely to the skin. This oil is really awesome, guys. To prime my face, I'm using the Benefit Professional Pearl Primer. This has been always one of my favorite primer as it fills the pores and smoothens out the skin before you apply anything else over it. I'm taking this orange shade corrector from Anastasia Contour Cream Kit with a flat eyeshadow brush to correct uneven tone which I have under my eyes area and around my mouth. Now I'm blending this out with the help of damp beauty blender. For foundation, I'm using MAC Studio Fix in shade NC30. Taking just a little amount and dotting it all over my face and neck and using my same beauty blender to blend it out. After blending it nicely, I'm using Maybelline Concealer in shade Medium Moin to conceal my under eyes area. Now I'm using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in shade 22B Light as the base of my eyeshadow and also to highlight my under eyes area. Taking the shade Chocolate from Anastasia Contour Cream Kit with a flat angled brush from BH Cosmetics to apply contour on the desired area of my face like cheek, nose, forehead, lips and the jawline. Now I'm going to blend this out using Mermaid brush. And also I'm going to use this floppy brush to blend nicely in my nose and lips area. Using this powder from NARS in shade Desert with BH Studio Pro brush in number 2 to set my entire face. Apply NARS CMA No Color powder underneath my eyes to save my face makeup from eyeshadow fallout. And quickly done my brows behind the camera. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Tarte Pineapple of my eye collection. Taking the shade Totally Bitchin with BH Studio Pro brush in number 8 to set my eyelid. Now taking the shade called Beach Red as my translucent color and blending it to my crease using the same brush. Now taking the shade Palm with BH Pencil brush and placing it to inner and outer crease line of my eyelid. Now using fluffy blending brush from BH Studio Pro in number 5 to blend the edges of the crease very softly and smoothly. And then taking my Tarte concealer once again with thin flat brush to cut my crease. The way I'm going to cut my crease is by dragging a line from inner to outer corner and filling the lid area with the concealer. Now taking the shade Samba with small flat eyeshadow brush and applying it to the lid. Now blending all the edges using same fluffy blending brush. Now taking the shade R and R with my finger and applying it to the center of the lid. Now applying the shade Palm with pencil brush to the lower lash line. With Marc Jacob pencil liner, I'm going to fill half of my waterline and smudge it out using angled brush. Using Kat Von D tattoo eyeliner to draw a small wing and define my top lash line. Using small round brush and ochre highlighter to highlight my inner corner and brow bone. Now curling my eyelashes. I already applied my falsies behind the camera. Now using Tarte Lash Paint Mascara to both top and bottom lashes. Using this LA Gold glitter liner in the edges of my eyeliner wing. So guys, this is my complete eye look. Now dusting away the translucent powder with small powder brush. I'm using Hoola Bronzer to bronze my face. Now again I'm using same RCMA no color powder to clean up the edges of the bronzer. For blush, I'm using light pink shade from the same Tarte eyeshadow palette with big fluffy blush brush. My lips, I'm using mixed lip liner in shade dark red. Using Huda Matte liquid lipstick in shade Heartbreaker. To highlight my face, I'm using Ofra Everglow highlighter with BH fluffy brush. Now using Mario Badescu mist to set my entire makeup. And here is the completed look. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe as I post new video every week. I love you guys and see you soon with a brand new video. Bye!